Lesson 2 of Personal Development is all about personality traits. The first key question that we're going to address is, what is a positive personal trait? Take a moment to think about this now. What skills do you think are essential for being a successful employee? If you were an employer, what type of skills would you look for? Is it being able to show initiative? Is it being a good listener? Being patient? Being hardworking? Reliable or punctual? There are lots of different skills that are positive employability skills. It might seem obvious to you what some of these skills are, however it's important to be able to identify specifically what are positive employability skills, what are positive personal traits, because by understanding the difference between positive and negative traits, it will make it much easier for us to be able to self-evaluate. You should also think about what skills are not good employability traits to have. Which skills or traits you may have which make it more difficult for you to be employed, or maybe which make you less good as an employee. These may be things such as you are lazy or you struggle to show up on time. They may also be things such as you're particularly quiet or nervous around new people. These may not be particularly negative traits to have as a person, but they may be negative in terms of employability skills. Our main task today focuses on self-appraisal. So first off, what is a self-appraisal? The self-appraisal, which can also be known as a self-evaluation or a self-assessment, is your opportunity to reflect on the things that you did well and the things that you didn't do so well, but maybe you have learned from in the past year. You will have completed lots of these at school, and you will continue to complete them as an employee. For today's task, you're going to conduct a self-appraisal. You should identify what attributes you want to develop and flourish in by the end of your CP course. You should be ready to share your ideas with the class also. You will find today's lesson in Module 1, Personal Development. It's Lesson 2, Personality Traits. You'll see that Task 1 has some further instructions. In order to conduct your own self-appraisal, you can begin by looking at a guide about making your own self-appraisal. There's a link on Canvas. In that link, there's an article that you should read, and you should especially read the 6 steps and work your way through them. For example, the first point says that you should make a note of your successes in the year so far. You should complete this work as a text entry on Canvas. Once you have finished this, if you have time, you should complete Task 2. What is more important to career success, skills or personality?